Alright, moving on to the next slides. For this part, our lesson will focus on two learning standards, which is first, reading 3.1.3. This means we will practice guessing the meaning of unfamiliar words by using clues from other words and from the context. This will be done on an increased range of familiar topics. Second, writing 4.2.2. This means we will work on spelling written words with moderate accuracy. By the end of the lesson, you should be able to do two things, which is number one, fill in the blank with a suitable word based on the meaning given, and number two, construct your own sentence using the word you have learned. Alright, let's look at the first activity, which is your task is to find these words in the text and use them to complete the definitions below. The words are capture, crawl, destroy, explore, flow, and surround. Let's go through the definitions together, which is number one, to means to be all around something or someone. Question number two, to means to damage something completely. Number three, to means to catch someone or something. Number four, to means to travel around an area to learn about it. Second last, which is to means to move slowly along the ground on hands and knees. And the last one, which is to means to move easily in one direction. Read the text carefully, look for these words and match them to the correct definitions. Remember, the clues are already here. You just need to find where each word appears in the text and see which meanings fit best. So I'm going to give you a few seconds to look at my sample answers from the next slides. Alright, so now we have another activity. The instructions say, fill in the blanks with the correct word from the word bank below. Each word can be used only once, and our word bank has 6 words: capture, crawl, destroy, explore, flow, and surround. Let's read each sentence and think about which words fits best. Number 1, the police worked quickly to the escaping suspect. Which words means to catch? Yes, that is capture. And number 2, I saw a spider blank across the bathroom floor this morning, which is the word that means to move slowly on hands and knees. Or for a spider on its legs, it is crawl. And the number 3, the river will blank, which is faster after heavy rain. River do what? They flow. So the answer is flow. And the number 4, we plan to blank questions, the old castle during our school trip. When we travel around a place to learn about it, we explore. And the second last question, earthquakes can blank questions, homes and buildings within minutes. The meaning here is to damage completely, so we use the answer destroy. And the last question, which is the mountains, and the blank question, the village, protecting it from strong winds, which is if something is all around something else, it will surround it. So our final answers are number 1, capture, number 2, crawl, number 3, flow, number 4, explore, number 5, destroy, and number 6, surround. So now, for the next activity, we will make our own sentences using the word from the previous activity. But remember class, each sentence must be complete, which is they must have has a subject and a verb. Second, correct, which is grammar and the spelling are right. And the last one is creative, which is not boring. So please use your imagination. Our words are capture, crawl, destroy, explore, flow, and surround. So let's go one by one. I'll give you examples and you will make your own. So these are the examples that I have given below. Now it's your turn. Write one sentence for each word. Make it interesting, like a story or an exciting scene, so we can enjoy reading it together. So I think that's all for today. Let's continue on the next activity. Thank you.